Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to come on here and share with you guys this like ThredUP haul. Anyways, this is right here. I got it. I did the $10 goodie box, but what I didn't realize is that a stylist picks out a certain amount of clothing that you picked out from the 10 items that you had originally selected. So you're not going to get all the 10 items that you picked. A stylist is going to pick out different things or different clothing in regards to what you chose, and also a style quiz that you do, which I didn't do because I had no idea that a stylist was going to handpick some stuff for me. So I just kind of did this on a whim, and I didn't know this is what was going to happen, but I thought it would be an interesting video to film and kind of share with you guys my experience on this. And I literally have had this app for probably a good year, and I've never purchased anything from them until just recently. I wasn't even planning on getting anything, but I just thought of some things, and maybe I was like, let's go look at the site and see what they have. And so let's just get into it. I'm excited. Let's read the info here. So all of the treasures, none of the hassle. Number 1, try everything on, mix and match styles with items in your closet to see if they work with your wardrobe. 2, decide what you want to keep, aka everything, and send the rest back using the prepaid shipping label. Return your box via FedEx office or USPS within 7 days of delivery. And the last step is head over to thredup.com/orders to select your goodie box and leave us your thoughts. We'll use the feedback for your next goodie box. Okay, so let's see. What's this? I guess it's the shipping label. This is us. Some promo stuff. The first thing I have here is this is the one I picked, so I'm glad that they have this. So it's like a long sleeve sweater top with a little bit of ruffle on the shoulders. So this is nice, and I got it in a size extra. Wait, no. What is this? Size small. This is really small, and that's probably pretty form-fitting. And this one is from Zara. That's cute. Can you see that? Okay. Oh! Yay! Another long sleeve top. Dude, this is like a really nice material. It's very like heavy, but like in a good way. It's like very well made, and it's like kind of thin. It's pretty like sheer if you look at it, but it has like bell sleeves on it, and I thought that would just be really cute. And this one is Free People! I forgot I got Free People. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. No wonder it feels all like fancy. Okay, I forgot I did that. Okay, I got is this. Ooh, this looks big. This dress, it's by Lucky Brand. Oh, does that look good to you? We'll see. But I really like the print on this. And then it has a tie in the middle. So this looks a little big, but we'll see how it goes. And I picked this too. I remember picking this out. And then, oh, I got this nice cardigan. I wanted just something like layering pieces. Ooh, this is cute. Look at the clasp on it. God, I don't think you can see. That's very interesting. I like that. You can see? That's cool. I like it. I wanted some layering pieces for winter and fall, so I got that. And ooh, I feel like I almost got everything that I picked. And this cardigan, a long length cardigan, and there's pockets on it, so that's nice. So I'm going this pretty fast. I just got off from work, so I want to look through this and try them on and make sure that I have enough time. What is this? This is an interesting neck. Oh, I wonder if that'll be comfortable. So this is another long sleeve shirt with like bell sleeves on it. So you can tell for this shopping time, I was really thinking of just cold weather, because I was looking through my closet and I just realized all I had were like tank tops and t-shirts, and I didn't have any long sleeves. So I think that's what initially just made me go onto the app. Ooh, this is nice. This one is by Weave It Free. This is cute. I like this. How feminine and just girly. So it's a light pink, you can't quite see, it's a light pink color in the middle and like a mesh, a more like airy knitted. Can you see? Oh, there we go. A knitted fabric, and it has like a peplum bottom, so that's really cute. Now we have high-waisted shorts. I think I got everything that I wanted. I think it's because I didn't take the styling quiz, so they were like, I don't think I should send this girl some stuff, because I don't know what the heck she wants. I don't know if this is gonna fit me, but I really wanted some high-waisted shorts. And this is from Citizens of Humanity, and this one's size 25. These look really short if these are high-waisted, but we will see. Hold on, I have a trick that like you put it around your neck and it's supposed to fit your waist. It does fit around my neck, so we'll see how that goes. And then there's another one, another high-waisted shorts by J Brand, and this is a size 26. This looks really big. That's not gonna fit me. Yep. That's sad. And this one is from Madewell. This might look. It might look. It might work, I feel. We'll see. It's another high-waisted shorts. So yeah, I think that's it. So those are all the pieces that I got from ThredUP. If you guys are thinking of getting something from them, get yourself a goodie box, because that is probably the best bet to start getting your ThredUP clothes, because I have been waiting for a long time to purchase from them and I just never bit the bullet, and now I did, and I'm excited to try all of these on and see which ones I want to keep. And yeah. Hi guys, so it's been about 2 days since I did the unboxing of the goodie box for ThredUP, and I had already returned it yesterday, and I wanted to show you guys the things that I had kept, because I would want to know what people ended up keeping. So I'm gonna show you right now. So I ended up keeping the Free People top. That's a surprise now, right? Yeah. I think it's really cute and really comfortable. At first, I thought it might have been too form-fitting, but it actually, like, it feels nice and it kind of feels like second skin. So I decided to keep it, and I really like the sleeves, and I think it's something different that can just, you know, jazz up an outfit. So I ended up keeping this one, and then The other thing I kept were these high-waisted shorts by Citizens of Humanity. There you go. I think it's so comfortable and really soft. The other shorts that were in the box were either too big or too small and too stiff, and I didn't want to have to wait to wear it in. This one already feels like, you know, I've had it for a couple years, and it's just soft and it molded to my body. So I really like that. And then the last thing I got was this cardigan. The last thing I kept was the BP cardigan. I'll go ahead and just put it on now. No. So I really like how long it is. It hits my like mid-calf, you can see. And it's just a really nice layering piece, and it's very thin and a little form-fitting, so it's it'll go nicely with some jackets and not look bulky underneath. And it's really soft. I don't think I would necessarily wear the cardigan with this top, but it could work. I could just tuck in the sleeves like that, or leave it out maybe. But yeah. Okay, so those are the pieces that I kept from the goodie box from ThredUP. I will definitely take the style quiz next time and see what the stylist sent me, and I will definitely show you guys a video on that whenever I do another box. But this has been a really fun experience, and I can't wait to order a new one. So, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also follow me on Instagram. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.